Kevin Benedict, SMAC analyst, reporting this week from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm here with Tom Thimot, the head of market development for EBA with Cognizant.
Hey,
Thanks
Kevin.
for joining me today, Tom.
Hi, Kevin. Good to talk with you.
So I heard you talk a lot this week about SMAC, social, mobile, analytics, and cloud. Tell me why that's important to companies today.
Well, I think everybody focuses on mobility and what applications and what information they can put in their employees' hands. But if they don't look at it in the broader context of the analytics that's going to determine what information to put in the employees' hands, or the collaboration capability that determines how does the whole team work together collaboratively, they won't have as much success with their enterprise mobility strategy. So we at Cognizant really believe that you have to look at the effect of social, mobile, analytic, and the cloud, what we coin SMAC, to really get the full benefit of enterprise mobility. Otherwise, you're just putting too much data and not necessarily the right data in the hands of your employees on their mobile devices.
So I'm a SMAC analyst, so you and I talk about this kind of stuff all the time. But let me ask you, are we just being philosophical and high-minded here, or are you really hearing demand for this in the field?
I think there's real demand for this in the field because I think everyone in the last year or two has said, okay, I'm going to start to move data and information out to my field via smartphones, via iPads and other tablets. But now the field is pushing back and say, it's not enough that you give me an alert on my iPhone that I need to do something. When I see that alert, you need to give me the system that I can actually take action on that alert that you just gave me. So it's not enough to push information to me. You have to push the ability for me to take action. And that involves comprehensive analytics that go across systems, and that involves collaboration capabilities among employees.
I know that in spending time this week in both New Zealand and Australia, I've had the opportunity to meet with quite a number of very large banks, all of which have social front and center on their thinking and in their strategy for next year and this year, trying to figure out how best to use that.
Well, and it's one thing to gather all this social information about your consumer or have all this collaboration capability within your employees, but how do you bring that data together and filter it into something that's meaningful, something that you can take action on, something that gives you competitive advantage? And if you don't have the underlying analytics strategy to pull that social and mobile together, you're not going to have an effective implementation.
Tom, I want to thank you so much and safe travels.
All right, cheers.